Want to unlock seamless online payments for your UK business and watch your revenue soar? Then buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, we're diving deep into how to supercharge your business with Stripe in the United Kingdom. First things first, let's talk currency. Stripe in the UK natively supports GBP, but it can also handle a huge range of international currencies. This is fantastic for attracting customers from all over the globe. When setting up your Stripe account, make sure to specify GBP as your primary currency if your business is based in the UK to avoid unnecessary conversion fees. Now, let's get into payment methods. While credit and debit cards like Visa and MasterCard are widely used in the UK, don't forget about Maestro, a popular debit card network here, and especially for mobile users. Apple Pay and Google Pay are increasingly important. Stripe makes integrating these payment options incredibly easy, boosting your conversion rates. Compliance is key. The UK has specific regulations regarding online payments and data security. Stripe helps you stay compliant with strong customer authentication, or SCA, which adds an extra layer of security for online transactions. Stripe's built-in tools and features are designed to handle these requirements, minimizing your risk. To optimize Stripe for your UK-based business, leverage Stripe's reporting and analytics features to understand your customers' spending habits and identify trends. Use this data to tailor your product offerings, adjust your pricing strategies, and improve your overall customer experience. Test your checkout pages to see what improves conversion rate, and set up Stripe billing for recurring subscriptions if applicable. Finally, remember that Stripe has excellent support and comprehensive documentation. If you ever run into any issues or have questions, their resources are a lifesaver. Don't hesitate to explore them. Using these tips, you are now well on your way to unlocking the full potential of Stripe in the UK.